primary reason U.S. lawmakers are attempting to ban DJI, a Chinese drone manufacturer, is rooted in protectionism. The key points include: 1. Technological superiority of DJI. DJI dominates the market due to its advanced technology and resources, positioning it to benefit significantly from the growth in the commercial and industrial drone sector. 2. Protectionism and legislative tactics. The American drone industry is seeking to eliminate competition through legislative measures rather than innovation. Examples include the Drones for First Responders Act, which aims to impose tariffs on Chinese-made drones to benefit American companies. Harm to education and first responders. The legislation would impose heavy taxes on imported drones and ban any drone or drone components manufactured in China by 2030, negatively affecting education and first responders. Supporting points. 1. Initial belief. There was some truth to the national security narrative initially, but it is now mainly about protectionism. 2. Orchestration by one company. The effort is orchestrated by an American drone company with federal government connections through their Vice President of Regulatory and Policy Affairs, Brendan Groves. 3. Proof of orchestration. Joe Bartlett's hiring by the Smart Blue Drone Company as Director of Federal Policy in November 2023, and his connections to the Defense Advocacy Committee of AUVSI and Congresswoman Elise Stefanik, who sponsored the bill to ban DJI. Contradictions and Concerns. AUVSI's contradictory stance on banning DJI, the presence of many Chinese-based devices on U.S. networks without similar legislative actions, and the lack of similar bans on DJI in other countries. Conclusion. The American legislative system is being manipulated to benefit domestic companies at the expense of competition. And the best way to combat this is to educate legislators and advocate for fair policies.